If you identify as a secular Jew, why would you help found a synagogue?
Because I feel very culturally Jewish. I feel Jewish almost to the exclusion of anything that's not Jewish. I embrace Jewish values, Jewish culture, Jewish humor, food, and affinity towards the emigration of Jews from Europe, all of these things, which is largely why I ended up here at the Yiddish Book Center, I think. At one point, when I was very active in the synagogue, I was just sitting around chatting with the rabbi, and I mentioned that it was a curious thing that I'm the president of the synagogue. I wasn't the first president of the synagogue, I was the second. That it was a curious thing that I'm the president of a synagogue and I'm an atheist. And he sort of winced and said, could you keep that one to yourself while you're still the president? I said, it's not a problem. I don't feel a conflict. I embrace Jewish values. I believe that the Jewish community is stronger if it has congregations, if Jews gather. And I believe that the stronger the Jewish community, the less likely that they will be threatened. The synagogue that I helped start from the beginning was very welcoming to interfaith couples and families.
And this is Congregation
Kol Ami in Elkins Park, Pennsylvania. It was part of what we did was to make sure that interfaith families that had Jewish homes, we didn't compromise in terms of you could be Jewish and non-Jewish in the context of what you did at the synagogue. We didn't perform mixed faith weddings, for instance. But we wanted to be welcoming to interfaith couples and families. And even though I'm not involved with that congregation anymore, one of the things that makes me feel good about having done it is that there are hundreds of kids who have grown up considering themselves Jewish, having celebrated bar and bat mitzvahs, and being part of a Jewish household that otherwise might not have a Jewish identity because it was not as easy to grow up with a Jewish affiliation if there's not a synagogue that you can belong to. So I feel that the Jewish community is stronger because, in an infinitesimal way, but nevertheless stronger because we did what we did.